in real dollars.
Okay, this is start up with the FloPro 4-inch system installed. It has the twister. I don't have an exhaust tip on it yet. I thought about putting one on, but it's not too bad the way it is. I'll leave the camera on while I get outside the truck. It's a little loud on load going up a hill sometimes, but cruising, general driving, it's not bad. Go outside now. Truck is also running Sean's T2 Street 91 octane tune. It's a nice system. I was impressed with the clamps they used. Pretty easy install. That's the muffler. Twisters up here.